RV owners, today I'm going to show you an inexpensive and super quick, and I mean 5 minutes quick, upgrade for your RV if your RV is one of the ones that does not have valves on your low points. And I'm talking about your low point drains below your RV. This is the bottom of your plumbing system. And although a lot of manufacturers have switched to valves, there are still quite a few of you out there who either have to remove these caps or you have the male version where this is sticking down and there's a cap on this. And this isn't the most convenient way to drain the system. Over time, you eventually start to wear out that cone washer that's inside there, and they like to leak, and then you have to worry about losing these plugs or the caps, whichever one you have. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can spend less than $10 and less than 5 minutes and get both of those switched over to valves without doing a bunch of nonsense. You don't need any tools. I've seen so many people in Facebook groups and YouTube videos showing how if you take this adapter and connect to this adapter and then go to this and then you glue it to this, you can add a valve. Or, there's always, you can actually cut the fitting off of here and you can use a PEX crimper to crimp a valve on there. I actually just did another YouTube video on how easy it is to apply these clamps, but this is even easier than that. And it's with the use of a properly sized valve. And the best part is this valve is going to work whether you have the caps or if you have the screw-in plugs, because this both has a male and a female end, and this is not directional. This can go any way you want. And guys, this is super simple. If you have the plugs, you're simply going to remove the plug, and if you have the cap style, you're going to simply remove the cap. Then, again, depending on if you have the cap or the plug, you're going to take the necessary end, which in this case is going to be the male end, and we are going to thread that on there, just like that. And now, just as simple as that, we now have a nice quarter turn valve for our low point versus having the caps or the plugs. You can do that with both of them. If you have a fresh tank drain, that is the same thing. You can also do this very same thing. I know a lot of fresh tanks have gone to the bigger valves, like the 2-inch dump valves or 1.5 inch, but there are still a lot of you floating out there that have a system like this that utilizes a cap or a plug to drain the water. And again, it's more things to keep track of, more things to wear out. Easy peasy, quarter turn valve makes it much better. You don't need a bunch of adapters and stuff. It's all about finding the right parts with the right threads. Luckily for you, not only did I put the size of these valves in the description of this video, I've also added them to my Amazon storefront, which you can find at thatrvtech.com. You can pick these up for less than 10 bucks and have this job done in less than 5 minutes. If you guys want to see more tech tips, tricks, and even some tours and RVs like this one, make sure you guys press that subscribe button.